This is the final video to fix Netflix error code 13018 and get your favorite shows back on screen. Are you seeing this exact error message right now on your smart TV or phone? This problem usually happens because your device and the Netflix servers stop talking to each other properly. Most solutions you see on YouTube or social media are confusing, way too long, or just hard to follow. Here at Rexis, we make things easy for you. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you, even if the problem seems very critical. You should pause the video right now to try these methods one by one, or take screenshots of the screen so you do not miss anything. I will not waste your time with long talks or complex words. Each of these 4 ways targets a different part of the connection to make sure the error goes away forever. Just follow the method step by step as they show on the screen right now.